She never wanted you to know, the lawyer said. That is when I saw the truth. I signed the divorce papers on a cold Monday morning. I wanted my freedom. I was tired of her silence. I thought she was hiding a lover. I thought she was betraying our blood oath. But on Friday, her face was on every television screen. The news said she was dead. The news said she had cancer for 2 years. She hid the sickness to protect me. She died alone in our old family home. How could I not see the pain in her eyes? The secret she kept was not another man. The secret was that she was dying. I destroyed the woman who loved me most. I am a fool. My name is Eris. My wife was Elena. We made a blood oath on our wedding day. We promised to stay together forever. We promised to tell each other everything. But life changes people. I worked too much. I came home late. I saw her sleeping. I felt estranged from her. She stopped eating dinner with me. She said she was not hungry. She spent many hours in the attic. I thought she was hiding something bad. I thought she was meeting someone else. I found a letter in her bag. It was from a hospital. I did not read it. I threw it on the floor. Who is he? I shouted. She cried. She said, there is no one else. I did not believe her. I went to a lawyer. I wanted a divorce. I wanted custody of our son. I wanted the inheritance. I wanted everything. The lawyer asked if I was sure. I said yes. I signed the papers on Monday. I told her to leave our family home. She packed one small bag. She looked at me with sad eyes. I am sorry, Eris, she whispered. She walked out the door. I felt nothing then. I felt free. I called my brother. I told him the divorce was done. He was shocked. You made a blood oath, he said. You broke it. I laughed. I said oaths are just words. I did not know that my life was about to end. 3 days later, my phone rang. It was the police. They asked me to come to the family home. They said they found Elena there. She was in the attic. She was not moving. I drove to the family home. The police were everywhere. They took me to the attic. Elena was on the old bed. She was cold. Her face was peaceful. I saw medicine bottles on the table. I saw hospital papers. I saw a will. I picked up the papers. My hands were shaking. The papers said she had cancer. The cancer was in her blood. She found out 2 years ago. The doctors said she had 6 months. She lived for 2 years. She fought for 2 years. She never told me. She never told our son. She never told anyone. She did not want us to worry. She did not want us to spend the inheritance on medicine. She wanted our son to have everything. I fell to the floor. I cried like a child. The police looked at me. They felt sorry for me. My brother came. He read the papers. He was angry. You broke the blood oath, he said. She kept her promise. She told you everything was fine. She lied to protect you. You punished her for it. I could not speak. The funeral was on Friday. The whole city came. The news channels were there. Everyone knew her name. Everyone said she was a hero. She worked at a hospital. She helped sick children. She gave her money to the poor. She was a good woman. I was a bad husband. I stood at the grave. I wanted to say sorry. But she could not hear me. My son held my hand. He was 10 years old. He did not understand. Where is Mama? He asked. I said, she is in heaven. He cried. I cried too. I went back to the family home. I went to the attic. I wanted to find more of her. I opened an old box. Inside were photos. Photos of us. Photos of our wedding. Photos of our son as a baby. And a letter. A letter for me. I opened the letter. Elena wrote it 1 month ago. Her handwriting was weak. The ink was smudged with tears. My dear heiress, she wrote. If you are reading this, I am gone. I am sorry I lied. I am sorry I hid the cancer. But I did it for you. I did it for our son. The medicine was very expensive. It would take all the inheritance. I wanted our son to go to a good school. I wanted him to have a future. I know you think I was betraying you. I know you found the hospital letter. I know you thought I had a lover. I never did. You were my only love. I made a blood oath, and I kept it. I stayed until I could not stay anymore. I went to the attic because it was quiet. I could see our wedding photos there. I could remember our childhood. I could feel close to you. Please do not blame yourself. Please take care of our son. Please be happy. I love you forever. Elena. I held the letter to my chest. I screamed. I hit the wall. My brother ran in. He held me. She forgave you, he said. Now you must forgive yourself. I looked at the heirloom on my wrist. It was a gold watch. Elena gave it to me on our wedding day. I took it off. I put it in the box with her photos. I did not deserve it. I went to our son. I hugged him. I told him the truth. I told him his mother was a brave woman. I told him she loved him more than anything. I told him I was sorry. He hugged me back. I miss her, he said. I miss her too, I said. We sat in the living room. We looked at old photos. We cried together. But we also smiled. Because we remembered the good times. Elena was gone. But her love was still here. The family home felt empty. But it also felt warm. Because her spirit was everywhere. I broke the blood oath. But she kept it. She died with love in her heart. I will live with regret in mine. But I will be a better father. I will be a better man. For her. I learned a hard lesson. Love is not about being perfect. Love is about being there. Elena was there for me every day. She fought cancer alone to save our family. She kept our blood oath. She never broke her promise. I broke it because I was blind. I was angry. I did not trust her. I lost her forever. But I will not lose her memory. Every day, I talk to her photo. I tell her about our son. I tell her I am sorry. I tell her I love her. The family home is now our reunion place. Every Sunday, our family comes together. We eat dinner. We share stories. We remember Elena. My son is growing up. He is strong like his mother. He is kind like her too. I am teaching him to trust. I am teaching him to listen. I am teaching him to love. Because love is the only thing that matters. When you have it, hold it tight. When someone loves you, believe them. Do not wait until it is too late. Do not be like me. Elena is gone. But her love saved me. Her sacrifice changed me. I am a better man now. Because of her. Remember this story. Remember Elena. And always, always say sorry before it is too late.